What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another monthly subscription box from miniprints. Yes, today we don't talk about what you see laying around here. Nope, that's for another day or for another video. Today we will unbox the July 2025 subscription box from miniprints. Where's the letter? Here's the letter. So, oh sorry, it's not the July, it's the August. Yeah, of course, it's because now it's September. Yeah, it's the August miniprints delivered monthly box from miniprints. Your August miniprints of the month club box. There is indeed a theme to this month's selection. I was asked to create a hay wagon for the fall harvest, and it kind of got my creative juices flowing. So first, a bit about the hay cart. Your hay cart is based on a 14 feet John Deere model and has a real laser cut wooden deck. I love mixed media pieces, and in this case the wood really adds to the model. This got me thinking about roadside produce stands that are springing up at this time of the year, so you will also find a part that adds a roof on top of the decking and some produce boxes, baskets. Okay, that sounds really cool. This month's animal is finally a porcupine. I don't know what a porcupine is. I've always wanted to add one and can now model the spines. I think it turned out really well. Your figure is our summer student dog with his fists up and ready for a fight. Interestingly, this model was created entirely from a photo I took. Did you see our announcement about the shrinking? We can now work from photos and make you mini. Finally, we have 8 square hay bales to put on top of the hay cart. And another special request, a Grumman aluminium canoe. Okay, this sounds cool. So let's see how the products are looking. Oh, there's also a sticker from the shrinking, goes right to my door. So now we come to the models. So, I will as always unpack them and show you them in close. Come on. So here is the dog fights. As you can see here, yeah, the dog fights. We let it stand here. Then we have the porcupines. Oh, okay, now I know what they are. Stachelschweine in German. Oh wow, yeah, they look heavy detailed. I don't know if you can see it on camera, really. But there are spines, four of them. Maybe I can also add them to this diorama. And then we have, well, here are the hay bales, just 8 of them. Oh, nice. Then there is the aluminium canoe. Looks also nice. Well, I have to take it out. Wow, that's really thin and nice created. The canoe. And then we have, so here is the hay carts with the wooden floor. That's nice, because I can't really remember those hay carts from back in the day when I was young. So this is, you have to assemble. And here is, and yeah, that's nicely engraved. I could achieve this with my laser, I would say. Ah, looks great. So here is the underside of the cart, wheels and everything, the spine. This looks nice. I will definitely build this. And then last but not least, we have the roadside stands with some boxes. Oh. Here you have to really check on what is support and what you can cut. But it's a nice stand. You can paint this as wood, I would say, and some metal roof shingles. And here we have some carts or boxes, more boxes where you can put in the stuff that you harvested in your garden. We already did harvest some big zucchinis. I mean, I can show you a zucchini if you want, just so for measurements. I will go get one. So here you see the zucchini, and the layout you see laying around here is set scale. So I would say we could build a tunnel through this for set scale, even for maybe for HO scale, or at least for N scale. So yeah, that's the harvest. Off topic. So yeah, that's already the August mini prints box. Again, some cool things in it. I really like the canoe, those animals I forgot the name of, and also the John Deere wagon, the cart, or however you want to call it. So as always, not sponsored video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments which of the items you like the most, and I would say see you in the next monthly subscription unboxing from Miniprints. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.